Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Gravity Well. This highly sought-after mod significantly boosts your weapon's capabilities, offering unique advantages in combat. We'll cover the essential steps and activities you need to complete to add this powerful upgrade to your arsenal. Get ready to enhance your gameplay and dominate your opponents with this incredible mod. The primary way to acquire Gravity Well is by engaging in the game's seasonal events. These events often feature unique activities that, when completed, have a chance to drop valuable mods. Focus on achieving high scores and completing all objectives within these activities to maximize your chances. Also, keep an eye out for weekly challenges that specifically reward mod components, as these are crucial. Beyond seasonal events, there are alternative methods to consider. Always check the mod vendor's inventory, as they occasionally sell Gravity Well for a limited period. High-level Nightfall strikes also present a chance for this mod to drop, especially on Grandmaster difficulty. For a more focused approach, repeatedly running specific lost sectors on Legend or Master difficulty can be an effective farming strategy. To efficiently acquire Gravity Well, first, ensure your power level is as high as possible to comfortably complete challenging activities. Playing with a coordinated fire team of 3 players can significantly improve your success rate and speed. Look for armor perks or seasonal artifacts that might increase mod drop chances. Remember, patience is key. It might take several attempts, but the reward is well worth the effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.